Sometimes you want to immediately after running the code, some codes start first. For example, here, I written these codes by clicking on this button, but I want to set some colors, etc. when immediately after the code starts running. This is called initializing. For example, I want to change the form background color, something like yellow. I could actually double click on my own form, which by default it is written userform.click. Let's try the code first, is it working or not. I could type my form, user controller command space form dot back color equal, let's say just simply VB red. This is the command standard for Visual Basic, which set the red color. Let's try is it working or not. I'm running the code. By clicking on the form, my form background it is changing. But I want to immediately after running the program start this code. So in this case, instead of using click or double click events, we're using initialize, and it is specified to the user form. If you're inside of user form or choose from here, on the procedure, which I call it event, open it, and we have the event name initialize. Click on that and move your code inside of that. So immediately after running your program, it will set the values. Why did I mention that? Because you might need to set many codes before user do any interactive with your UI. For example, I want to make a list of font size, something like inside of Word, font size here. To make, you need actually inside of form, allow me to move buttons here, okay. Use something like combo box. I click on that and maybe drag it here, okay. And you need to add some values. This item name is combo box 1. If I double click on my form, inside of initialize, actually I don't want to change the form color. I want to change my combo box 1 dot. We have a method named add item, okay. Add which item? I want to add, for example, 2. All right. And you could copy that command, copy, paste it for several times. For, let's say, 8, 16, 32, and 64. Let's run the program. And now we have these values without any action except running the code or macro.